In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom text animation in Wix. Whether you're looking to add some dynamic flair to your website or just want to make your content more engaging, text animations can be a great way to capture attention. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Wix website editor, head over to your My Site section and select the site that you want to edit. Once you've opened the editor, navigate to the text that you want to animate. Click on the text area to select it. This is a fundamental step because you can only apply animations to selected text elements. Make sure you're working with the text you truly want to emphasize. Once you've selected your text, look for the animated icon and give it a click. This action will open up a variety of animation options that Wix provides. It's quite user friendly and you'll find that there are different categories of animations to suit your needs. Now, you'll see options like entrance, loop, scroll and mouse effects. Let's explore these briefly. Entrance animations are those which make your text come onto the screen in a visually striking manner when the page loads. Loop animations will repeat continuously, which can keep the motion dynamic and interesting for your visitors. Scroll animations are triggered when users scroll through your page. These can be particularly engaging as they respond directly to the viewer's actions. Lastly, mouse effects provide interactivity by animating when a user moves their cursor over the text. For our purpose today, let's select an entrance animation. Choose the animation type that aligns with the visual impact you're aiming to create. For instance, you might want something subtle or perhaps a more eye-catching effect, depending on the theme of your site. Once you've selected the animation, click on the Customize button. This option allows you to delve deeper into the animation settings, tailoring it even further. Here, you can specify things like the number of parts your text should break into during the animation. This feature comes in handy for creating complex visual effects. Next, you can adjust the direction of the animation. This is where the text moves from and to, whether it flies in from the left or the right. Experimenting with these settings can lead to discovering creative ways to display your text. Don't forget about the duration. Set how long you want the animation to last. A longer duration will make the motion slower, which can be great for dramatic effects. On the other hand, a shorter duration will quicken the motion. Lastly, you have the delay option. This allows you to create a pause before the animation begins, perfect for when you have multiple elements being animated and you want to create a sequential appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully customized a text animation in Wix. Play around with the settings to see what fits best for your website. Thanks for watching this tutorial and enjoy animating your text.